Nice. Oh, I should get a measurement. I gotta get a measurement. To Ghetto Pro test number 3 at Beehive Reservoir. The guide, Albert Gil Samaniego, has told me to throw a mayfly out there. We're gonna go see if we can get in some action. Straight into him. Yeah, he's a little guy. Can I do the lift?
Yeah, do the lift. Yeah, got it.
Get him on vids. He's lively in there. You want to tag him? No. Oh, we got him a little bloody there. Came right out of the depths. So, hey, he's pretty good. He's pretty good size, man. Oh yeah. He's pretty good size, my friend. All right. Yeah, don't over. Oh, there's two. Look, there's a bigger one. Look at that guy coming in. No, probably not. Okay. That would be hilarious. All right. Just raise that rod tip and bring him over toward me. Yep. Just, yep, bring it back, bring it back. You got him. Okay. How much do I reel this in? That's, you're fine, you're fine. Actually, let me some slack. Oh, nice fish, Andy. You want to do the you want to do the lift for the photo?
Got the camera.
What's that, 3 for you now? 3. That's clocking in 11. It's clocking in 11 inches. Oh, it's reversed though. It's fucked up. How did I film that whole thing in reverse accidentally? Goodbye, friend.